Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble using nano tape. Start by choosing a flat, clean surface and gather 3M nano tape, a razor, a frame, and soapy water. Cut tape strips to match your desired bubble shape and press carefully to avoid wrinkles. Keep edges sealed and work slowly to maintain tension. I will guide you through shaping, sealing, and releasing the bubble for best results. Gather 3M nano tape, a lightweight frame, a sharp razor, isopropyl alcohol, and a shallow tray with soapy water. Clean and dry the surface area where you will apply tape so adhesion is reliable. Cut tape slightly longer than each frame edge to allow trimming. Mix a mild soap solution that forms flexible films but not heavy suds. Set up a steady workspace to avoid drafts while you build the bubble. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after messy projects. It's a small, fun upgrade that pairs well with hands-on hobbies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Apply tape to the frame edges with even pressure and no air pockets, overlapping corners by a few millimeters to reinforce joints. Trim excess tape flush to the frame and press every edge with a firm roller or fingertip. Dip the taped frame slowly into the soapy tray and lift evenly to form a taut film. If the film wrinkles, reapply tape and repeat until you get a smooth, consistent bubble surface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.